welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new year. In today's video, I want to go ahead and share with you guys a little bit of a treat. So I did go ahead and shop at the Bath & Body Works sales, the Candle Day sale, as well as the semi-annual sale. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys a few bits that I picked up from both sales essentially. I don't have too much, but I do think that this is probably going to be a little bit of a longer video because I am going to try my best to try to describe what the actual products smell like as well. So if you guys love Bath & Body Works hauls, definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and jump right in. As I mentioned, I do have some candles as well as some body care items and things like that that I purchased. I'm going to start off with the body care items. I have two bags in front of me, so I'm going to try to go pretty quickly. Let me just try to grab the body care items out of here first. Let me just go ahead and start off with these two right here. So these are basically the same, I guess, brand, you can say. Not brand. This is kind of like the same line. And this is the Cashmere Glow line. This is the shower gel as well as the body cream. I couldn't find the actual spray for this line, so I just got the shower gel instead. But I absolutely love this. I've actually been using this specific line for a very long time from Bath & Body Works, and I just really love the way that it smells. When it comes to this, I feel like this is one of those that smell like it'll work perfectly for all seasons of the year. It's not like a season specific type of scent. It smells very sweet, but it's also very like warm and just like cozy all at the same time. I absolutely love this smell. If you guys haven't tried out this specific line at Bath & Body Works, definitely try to pick it up. I feel like if they had a candle for this line, I would definitely pick it up as well. But it smells a little bit kind of like it has a little bit of citrus in it, some type of orange maybe. And it also does smell like it has like honey. So it's like really like smooth and warm and cozy a little bit. So these are going to be the first two that I purchased. The next two that I want to mention to you guys are basically these two right here, same line. This is the Japanese Cherry Blossom line. So these I've also been purchasing for a long time from Bath & Body Works. This is my first time actually getting the body cream. Again, I started off just getting all the body lotions, but I realized that the creams are definitely a lot more moisturizing on the skin. This one smells a little bit more faint, but it's a very like sweet cherry type of scent, but it's not over the top. It's nothing that's like offensive at all, but it just smells very like light and dainty and like pretty, but it's like a sweet cherry smell like I mentioned as well. So I decided to purchase both of these. The next two are basically gifts that I got during the holidays, and this is from the aromatherapy line. Right now I think the semi-annual sale is still going on. If you are thinking of purchasing anything from the semi-annual sale, try to see if you can find anything from the aromatherapy line that's on sale, just because I prefer this line. But this is the, I guess, Love line, and it has rose and vanilla. So I've never tried these before, but I know for sure that I love the aromatherapy body lotions. So I really like these. But like I mentioned, I've never tried this specific line before, so I can't really tell you if it's one of my favorites or not. But I'm really excited to try it because, again, this is rose and vanilla. Rose is usually a very light scent. And then vanilla, of course, I love vanilla in anything just because it's more like calming and relaxing and just like smooth. So these are going to be the next items that I got. And then the last random lotion. Yeah, so the last random lotion that I got it because the way that it smelled. This is the Black Raspberry Vanilla. Again, I like vanilla. And I got this because it smells sweet, but it kind of smells like a raspberry yogurt, which is really weird, but I like the way that it smells. I actually tried this on like 2 nights ago, like before I went to sleep. I use this as my body moisturizer, and you smell it when you apply it on your skin, but as I mentioned, with these body lotions, I feel like they're not as potent as the body creams and the body butters that Bath & Body Works has. So I feel like the scent just kind of went away pretty quickly, which I'm okay with, but at the same time, the reason that I got it was to kind of like just smell good when I'm going to sleep. But anyways, it's something that's going to help to moisturize your skin anyway. So I feel like I might just throw this in my purse just so that, you know, I have lotion with me at all times if I'm like leaving my house. It's a new year. We will not be ashy this year, okay? So this is one that I feel like the scent is nice, but like I mentioned, body lotions, I feel like the scents don't last or linger as long. If you are shopping, the body creams or the body butters. They are a lot better in my opinion. So those are going to be the only kind of like body care items that I got. The next couple of items I want to mention to you guys are some hand soaps, just because I love purchasing these hand soaps from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so I got 5. Yeah, so I got 5 of them. So I'm just gonna quickly go through pretty much the scents. So I got the Winter Candy Apple, which I love this scent in a candle, and I also love this scent in the actual hand soap as well. Anytime I purchase hand soaps from Bath and Body Works, it's always these deep cleansing hand soaps that have like the beads in them. I don't like the foaming hand soaps just because I feel like you run through them a lot. And I feel like if I'm washing my hands, I just want to make sure that they're like deeply cleansed. That's all I care about. But these obviously smell good as well. So again, this is the Winter Candy Apple. I decided to pick this one in the hand soap as well because I did get a candle in this line, the Frosted Cranberry line. So I wanted to just try it just to see how it smells in the hand soap. The next one that I got is the Island Papaya. And this one is like a light, like a very light pink color, and it's just really pretty. It just looks very pretty. The packaging is really nice. I might leave close-ups in case you guys can't see it because of my lighting. And then this one is Aquamarine Shores. So this is more of like an ocean fresh type of clean scent. And then the last one that I got is the Toasted Vanilla Chai. So again, another vanilla scent. I absolutely love vanilla scents. I feel like they just feel very kind of like spa-like, luxurious, and just like really calming in my opinion. So I decided to get this one as well. And then the last 2 things before I get into the candles that I got, they're the same thing, but it's basically kind of like a home decor piece, but they're candle stands. And I like shopping the semi-annual sale because I feel like after the holidays, that's when they try to get rid of a lot of the like candle stands, a lot of the just decor pieces that they have. I remember, I think it was last year or the year before that, I got some lanterns from there before, and I think the original price of the lanterns were like $40, and I think I got them for like 10 bucks each. So I like shopping the semi-annual sale to see if I can find some of those as well. So the 2 that I found, at first I actually found one, and I asked somebody that was working there, I was like, hey, do you guys have another one? And he was like, you know, if you don't see it out, then we don't have it, just because everything just kind of goes during this time. So this is basically what they look like. Again, it's just a candle stand, and I just love, love, love the way that it looks. So of course, as you guys can see, I just feel like this is a really nice decor piece to have, and the reason that I decided to get it is because it's like a white marble type of design. I'm hoping that you guys can see it. If not, I will make sure to leave close-ups. But I just love the design of it. I just feel like it's a nice, clean, and just pretty, and just adds a little bit of a different element to your space as well. So I'm not really sure of where I'm going to put this or use this in my space, but I know that this is definitely something that I am going to get use out of. So I absolutely love, love, love the way that it looks. So when I found one, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the one just because it looks good, but I kept looking in the store and I saw this kind of like hidden, tucked in somewhere, and I was like, oh yes, it's going down. These were, yeah, so they were $19.50 a piece. What the original price was $19.50 a piece, and I got them for $7.80. So basically like half off. So I feel like that's a really, really good deal, because if you try to find this at not Bath and Body Works, Bed Bath and Beyond or Home Goods or anything like that, you're definitely gonna pay maybe $20 plus. So being able to find these for $8 a piece, I feel like is a really great deal. So I'll definitely let you know when I, put this somewhere in my space, just so you guys see exactly what it looks like. So that's gonna be that. Now the next couple items that I am going to mention to you guys are candles pretty much. I did shop the candle day. It was pretty insane when I went. I went with my mom, so I didn't really get too many things, and I feel like I've tried so many Bath and Body Works candles that I kind of know what I like at this point, the type of scents that I like to burn. So I don't have a crazy amount of candles. I pretty much just got 2 of a lot of the candles that I like. So the first candle that I want to mention to you that I got 2 of is this Sweater Weather. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's already burnt down to like right here, because these were actually burning downstairs. This is what I burned during Christmas time when we had like family and things like that over. And this is a really, really great everyday, all year long type of I was gonna say perfume type of candle. But I don't know why they only sell this during the holiday season, because when I smell this, I don't really get holidays. Like, obviously I burned it during Christmas, but just because I like the scent. It's very like fresh. It's like fresh eucalyptus leaves, like that type of vibe. Not like Thanksgiving leaves. I feel like this would probably be good during Thanksgiving as well. But like I mentioned, it's one of those like more fresh type of scents that I feel like would work well in your space year round. And so I only got 2 of them, but I think I might try to go back and get some more, just because I'm already halfway done with these and I've only had them, like I started burning them basically during Christmas. So I don't know, I think I might go get some more just to have more throughout the year. But this candle is absolutely amazing. If you can get your hands on them, definitely try Sweater Weather. The next one that I got 2 of as well, which is a candle that I've been purchasing for years, is the Mahogany Teakwood. For some reason, I didn't realize that the packaging was like, they're the same, but this one is like a lighter gray and then this one is basically black. So I didn't realize that when I picked them up. But anyways, this is the Mahogany Teakwood candle. This is definitely one of those candles that I feel like works beautifully as well year round. I don't think this is a holiday, no, this is not a holiday scent. I think you can get this at any time throughout the year. But this is one of those candles that work well in your space if you are living with your significant other. So I feel like this is one of those candles that, oh my God, it smells so good. This is one of those candles that's not offensive to anyone. Like, it's just a nice smelling type of candle. It is a little bit pungent. The notes in here are rich mahogany, black teak wood, dark oak, frosted lavender with essential oils. I definitely don't get the lavender at all. Lavender is one of my favorite oils, but I don't get that at all in this. You definitely just get more of like the woody tone, like the woody scent pretty much. But it's not overpowering where it smells like a forest. It just smells very like, I don't even know, just kind of like a little bit manly, if that makes sense. It's kind of like fresh but manly and woody all at the same time. I'm hoping that that's a good description, but this is one of my favorite candles to burn. And my husband likes this as well, so I just got 2 of them as well. The only thing with these candles, I don't burn more than 1 at a time because it definitely projects very well. So you don't need to burn more than 1 at a time, pretty much. So that's gonna be that. The next one that I got is this. This is my first time actually trying this. This is the Eucalyptus Mint candle. My mom and I actually purchased one. And this one smells so good. Like, this one smells like it'll be a perfect like bathroom scent. I feel like you can definitely put it anywhere in your space, but I feel like this would be a really good bathroom scent. Like when you're taking a bath or something, because it's the eucalyptus mint, it's very like minty. It has the eucalyptus in it. It smells very like peppermint, spearmint, like very kind of like relaxing, but still like, I don't know, just like a spa. I don't know what it is about it. So the next candle that I have is this frosted cranberry candle, and I mentioned to you guys I did also get that in the hand soap. I've never tried this before. I've never burned it either. As you guys can see, it's a fresh one, and this one basically smells like the way cranberry juice tastes, pretty much, if that makes sense. So it's like, it's sweet from, obviously because it's a fruit, but it's also like tart like a cranberry. But it doesn't smell like tart, like sour or funky or anything like that. But it just smells like cranberry juice, if that makes sense. So I'm interested to see how it burns. But I feel like it's not something that's offensive. So I feel like you could probably burn this with other candles as well, and it won't like disturb the vibe that you're going for. So I'm really excited to see how this burns as well. And then the last candle that I got is the Salted Caramel candle. And this is the White Barn packaging. I like the way that it looks. But this one is definitely, it kind of reminds me of pumpkin pecan waffles. It's not the same exact scent, but it's the same vibe. Like, it's basically, again, salted caramel. The name of it is perfect for what it actually smells like. It's very like smooth and creamy and rich and sweet, but it does still have a little bit of like a salty type of edge to it. It smells really, really nice. The only thing about these candles, the reason I don't really get more than one of these candles a lot of times is just because I feel like sometimes the smell could be a little bit too sweet when it burns. So it can be a little bit offensive to my nose. So I don't really burn these for long periods of time, and I definitely don't burn candles like these all the time either. So this is just like if I'm trying to do like a cozy night in type of vibe, then I'll burn something like this, but more than likely the other candles are going to get a lot more use out of me for sure. But this says that it has roasted chestnuts, caramelized sugar, and spiced rum. So I definitely get kind of like the roasted chestnut. I feel like that's where the salty type of element comes in. It smells like you're making some type of treats or desserts in your kitchen. If you like that type of candle, then you'll definitely really like this smell as well. I don't know what it smells like burning, but at the same time, I feel like in the packaging, it does seem a little bit promising. So that's going to be pretty much the last item that I wanted to share with you guys from my Bath & Body Works shopping trips. Of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and of course, turn on your post notifications so that you are the first to know about everything. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. I hope you guys have an awesome day. God willing, I'll see you next time.